Welcome back to Click in Solution channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have something truly amazing to share with you. Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey that will strengthen your body, calm your mind, and revitalize your spirit? Get ready for the Yoga Burn Challenge. Imagine a 12-week program that not only helps you shed unwanted pounds but also boosts your energy, enhances your flexibility, and promotes inner peace. The 12-week Yoga Burn Challenge is designed to do just that. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, this program is tailored to meet you right where you are. Let me tell you about the incredible benefits you can expect from the Yoga Burn Challenge. Burn fat and tone your body. Say goodbye to boring cardio and say hello to a unique blend of dynamic sequences that target major muscle groups. Yoga Burn maximizes calorie burn and sculpts your body while leaving you feeling energized and invigorated. Boost flexibility and strength. Through a progressive approach, Yoga Burn gradually increases the difficulty level, helping you achieve remarkable flexibility and strength gains. Prepare to amaze yourself with poses you never thought possible. Reduce stress and enhance mental clarity. In today's fast-paced world, we all need a moment of tranquility. Yoga Burn not only guides you through mindful movements but also incorporates meditation techniques to calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve mental clarity. Now that you know the incredible benefits, let's dive into the Yoga Burn Challenge program and how it works. The secret to the success of the Yoga Burn program lies in what's referred to as dynamic sequencing. Dynamic sequencing is the way in which the Yoga Burn program teaches you how to properly perform each movement and then continues to adapt and increase the challenge at the precise moment your body starts to get used to the routine. This forces your body to change and adapt, which in turn helps to build a shapely, feminine body that not only looks better but feels better too. The unique 3-phase program guides you through a series of different videos that are laid out in a way that will keep your body and mind guessing to ensure you do not get bored or hit a plateau. Each video is 45 minutes long and can be done anytime, anywhere. You are encouraged to complete 3 45-minute videos a week, with the option to complete a bonus video lesson that is provided. It's highly recommended to fit the bonus video in if you can find the time, as the bonus video is focused on increasing your emotional well-being, self-confidence, and overall happiness. I'm sure you'll agree that confidence and happiness are two of the most attractive attributes a woman can possess. The Yoga Burn's 3-phase program include Foundational Flow Phase. In this initial phase, you will establish a strong foundation and gain a deep understanding of fundamental yoga poses. Guided by our expert instructor, Zoe, you will build strength, confidence, and proper alignment, laying the groundwork for a successful yoga practice. Transitional Flow Phase. Once you have mastered the basics, it's time to take your practice to the next level. Zoe will introduce dynamic sequences that seamlessly transition between poses, challenging your body and stimulating muscle growth. Get ready to feel the burn as you progress towards your fitness goals. Mastery Flow Phase. Congratulations on reaching the final phase of the program. Now, you will combine all the skills and knowledge acquired throughout the previous phases, pushing your limits and achieving remarkable results. Zoe will guide you through advanced sequences that further enhance your strength, flexibility, and overall yoga mastery. Are you ready to transform your body and mind? The Yoga Burn Challenge awaits you. Click the link in the description box below to join the thousands of people already experiencing the life-changing benefits of this program. And I must tell you that the program is backed by a 100% money-back guarantee for 60 full days from your original purchase. So, if you're not totally and completely satisfied with this program, your results, or your experience in the first 60 days from your purchase, simply call the toll-free number or drop an email and you will be issued a full refund. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Remember, the Yoga Burn Challenge is more than just a workout program. It's a transformative journey that will empower you, boost your confidence, and bring balance to your life. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more inspiring content like this. Until next time, keep pushing your limits and embracing the beauty of yoga.